Hi, I'm Tim.
And I'm Andriana.
And it's This Week in Sonoma Valley. Andriana, where are we right now?
We are currently at San Giacomo Family Vineyards in the beautiful Carneros AVA of Sonoma Valley.
And we are literally in the middle of the vineyard. I believe this is Pinot Noir.
This is a Pinot Noir vineyard,
That's
correct.
fantastic. And this table was here, so we were so lucky that we came upon this and we're going to start filming right now.
Just happenstance.
It's just right here. Let's talk about what's happening this week in Sonoma. First off, November 17th, holiday making at the Sonoma Valley Museum of Art.
Ooh.
This is kind of cool. You can go to the art museum, bring the kids, or if you don't have any kids, find some kids and bring them.
Totally family friendly though.
Family friendly.
Awesome.
There's art stations with supplies and inspiration to fill the museum.
Nice.
I do a lot of Pinterest fails for the holidays, and this is my chance to make something that looks
Didn't know
awful.
you Pinterest?
I am the king of Pinterest.
Are you?
Yeah, well,
Very
I might be lying. I'll have to think of a tagline before I get here. But anyway, show up, and the Kiwanis from Sonoma are sponsoring this event, so it's kind of cool. You can make your crafts and then move on to the next event, which is, are you ready for it?
Oh, I think it's one of my favorites.
It's your favorite event, Lighting of the Plaza.
Yay!
Saturday, November 17th. You've been to this.
I have. This actually is a tradition of my family's to go to the Plaza lighting.
Okay,
It is.
fantastic. Thousands of lights. It'll be the kicking off of the Valley of Lights going all the way up Sonoma.
Really
There'll be
spectacular.
musical performances, food trucks, beer and wine for sale.
Yes.
And what else should I tell you?
A lot of different Sonoma Valley wineries participating, serving their wines anywhere from whites to reds. It'll be really spectacular.
Or whatever's in the middle, which I think is called rosé.
Rosé's included.
I'm basically a wine
I can't
genius.
confirm if there will be
that?
rosé there.
Well,
I hope
I don't know.
so.
It'll be there. And if you don't, just walk across to one of the mini tasting rooms and get some rosé.
Yes, absolutely.
So, like so Saturday, November 17th, Lighting of the Plaza. Next up this week, as you know, Thanksgiving's coming up.
It is Fast and Furious.
It's one of my favorite holidays because it's one of the few holidays where you can wear stretchy pants to a formal event. People don't care. They don't care. Matter of fact,
Maybe in your household.
They welcome that. They give you a high five when you walk in, and here's where I will go in my stretchy pants. It's the Thanksgiving buffet at the Fairmont, which I'm sure they're pleased
Love
I'm
the
saying.
Fairmont. It's a beautiful dinner.
They're going to have
Absolutely.
a gorgeous dinner. Diesel-free range slow roasted turkey, Calvados drunken and glazed roast pig, and ready for this? Dream-worthy maple walnut chocolate miniature pies.
I'm on board for that. I'd
dream
down
about
with that.
a maple walnut chocolate miniature pie. I think it's Sante
Maple
at the Fairmont.
Dreams.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Sante, wonderful restaurant.
Classy
yes.
restaurant. Fairmont Sonoma Mission Inn. Details at fairmont.com/Sonoma. Also on November 22nd.
The community Thanksgiving.
Tell me about this.
It's the
What's
community, Sonoma Community Center's Community Thanksgiving at the Veterans Building.
Okay.
It is a free event. Folks just ask that you bring a dessert, a tasty dessert to share among friends, colleagues, community members. It should be really fantastic.
Love it. That was great. And that is free, and it's at the Veterans Community Hall, right? Veterans Hall. Very good. So, okay, November we have Thanksgiving, and we were in our stretchy pants, or at least I was, and we had really good political conversations with our friends and family, and we're like, we got to get out of here. So what we do is we go shopping on Saturday.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a big thing called Small Business
Small
Saturday.
Business Saturday. Support local.
Someone
support
who's
local.
participating, Chateau Sonoma, which is at Cornerstone, and they're having a Meet the Makers holiday marketplace.
Cornerstone. Not too far from here.
Handmade holiday gifts, live French music, and something called a French 75.
Ooh, one of my favorite beverages.
What is it? What's a French 75?
So, sparkling wine.
Sparkling wine.
I love to use Gloria Ferrer.
Okay, Gloria Ferrer.
A little bit of gin.
A little bit of gin.
Simple syrup.
Simple syrup.
And lemon.
And lemon.
And a lemon twist.
And a lemon twist. That sounds good. So
Very
we'll have French
festive.
75 from Prohibition Spirits. And also the makers will be there at Chateau Sonoma.
Oh, very cool.
Which is a beautiful store
I like
in
that.
Cornerstone. It's
It
really
is
cool.
really lovely.
As we mentioned, it's also part of Small Business Saturday, November 24th. Shop Small Business Saturday for all the businesses around the
businesses
plaza.
on our plaza.
And in Sonoma, 90% of businesses in Sonoma and tourism are locally owned. So
love that.
your money stays locally when you support
Absolutely.
locally. So
Absolutely.
shop small business.
Very good.
Finally, whoa, event alert. What's
Very
going on?
exciting.
Something's on sale. Tell me about this. What's going
So
on?
I am with the Sonoma Valley Vintners and Growers Alliance, and we have a really spectacular event that we have coming up in 2019 called Signature Sonoma Valley.
Okay. Signature Sonoma Valley. Is it a one-day event?
No, it's a 4-day event.
Okay. Is it like an event that like you just don't do anything?
So what Signature Sonoma
Yeah, tell
Valley
me
is,
about
it's a deep dive into our incredible wines and acclaimed vineyards within Sonoma Valley.
Within Sonoma Valley?
Yes.
And so it's not just like, here, taste this wine. It's more than that.
It's much more than that.
What-
It's a
how?
series of different curated events all
Okay.
through out the weekend, we have vineyard immersions, we have
So people
wine
get to
and
walk in a
design
vineyard.
lunches. People get to walk into a vineyard. They do.
Okay.
They get to meet the grape growers. They get to meet the winemakers.
Meet the winemakers.
Meet the people who are
Probably
crafting these world-class
meet some of the
wines.
farmers that grow the grapes. 'Cause
Absolutely.
what
Our
I love
grape
about Sonoma
growers.
Valley is a lot of the people who are the winemakers are also the grape growers. So they're like, it's like the generations of family are involved.
Yes.
But they are in the vineyard. They're
Yes.
harvesting.
Yes.
And then they're making the wine.
Yes.
So it sounds like signature
Well,
Sonoma Valley.
Being that
is-
it's May,
Right.
they won't be harvesting quite yet.
No, but I'm saying you'll meet the people who really make the magic
Yes,
happen.
you will meet the people that are invested in this
Okay.
beautiful craft,
Okay.
that are dedicated, hardworking people that make these wonderful, distinctive wines that come from our region,
Okay.
that come from Sonoma Valley, that come from the 6 different AVAs that encompass the Sonoma
make it
Valley
Sonoma
region.
Valley.
Yeah.
Okay.
And one of our events that I would love to highlight, it's sort of our capstone. It's called our Legends Collectors Dinner, and it takes place May 18th.
Okay.
It's at a very special vineyard, and what we're doing is we are featuring 10 different historic vineyards within Sonoma Valley, one of which is San Giacomo
Wait,
Family
this is
Wines.
at one dinner,
This is at one dinner,
10 vineyards.
10 vineyards. So a lot of
I'm known
different
for making little fingers, so I gotta do that. Okay, there you
a
go.
lot of different incredible wines
Okay.
to explore, a lot of versatility, a really great
Okay.
representation of the heritage of our region, as well as some of the new release wines from many different producers and many
And
different
that's,
wineries.
but that's just one event out of the many that are available.
Yes.
If they want to buy tickets, they want more information, where should people go?
People should go to sonomavalley.com/signature Sonoma Valley.
Okay.
There are hyphens among those words.
I will put them down here.
Absolutely.
to have
But
that
you
magic.
can also
Yeah.
search on social media, hashtag signature Sonoma Valley,
Okay.
and find out more information. Or tweet us, or Instagram with us,
Or go on the Google.
or go on the
Go
Google.
on the Google and find out
Google, you'll find us.
how to find it. Perfect. All right. Well, so for that event,
Yes.
and for all other events, there's one place people need to go to, and that's sonomavalley.com/events. And thank you very much for sitting in the vineyard with me.
Thank you for having me
You bet.
in this vineyard with you.
And that's all I got. Are we done now?
I think so.
All right. Let's just leave the table here, and hopefully someone else can use it next time.
I think that's a good idea.
All right. Thank you.